Hello and welcome. Greg here from Volkswagen Van Center X. I'm showing you today this gorgeous looking and approved use Volkswagen Transporter Commerce Pro here in 4Motion drive and finished in stone grey paintwork. Make sure to check out the description below as it's packed full of factory fitted extras. These will include these gorgeous full LED headlights with LED daytime running lights, as well as these Leighton alloy wheels as part of the combi kit. In the rear there are also C-Signature upgraded vertical taillights that really stand out at night. And the cabin in front will also offer a premium feel with this lovely two-tone accents, as well as this two-tone leather upholstery which even feature electric seats with electric lumbar support and knee support functionality. The driver will certainly enjoy this leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel which operates the digital cockpit ahead. Center touchscreen has permanent climate control functions below and offers heated front seats, heated steering wheel and even a full heated windscreen. Other great features for the vehicle will incorporate built-in satellite navigation along with selectable drive modes on offer. Additionally, there's a full host of driver assistance functions that will scan the road ahead to protect you and your occupants at all times. For added connectivity, you can also use both AppleCarPlay and AndroidAuto smartphone projection, and the built-in sat-nav is always on offer to make sure you never ever get lost when traveling on unfamiliar roads. Easy-to-use climate control is also available for the hot summer months, as is the area view camera offering visibility all round, and down below you'll even find and enjoy a wireless induction charger. With overhead the digital rear view camera that certainly helps. This has been a presentation of the approved use Volkswagen Transporter Commerce Pro that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today.